scissors. Yeah, just a nasty word. Are these likely to turn up? Might do, probably not. Let's face it, there are thousands of words they could ask you. So I've written it down here because, excuse me. No, it's gone. Scissors. SCISSORS. Notice its colour? I call it cowpat green. It's one of my favourite colours. It's lovely, isn't it? My mum always says skizzles. Just no, it's got 4 S's. I mean, that's quite impressive for any word, isn't it? And do you ever get one of those days? If you're not sure, once again, I recommend probably the easiest way is go SCISSORS and then no S blank ISSORS and now SCSSORS, and so you go until you reach the end of the word. But it does take concentration, that, and I think it helps. See you soon. Bye bye.